Uh, Hello everyone. Now we are in Giang province, and we are very happy when interested this place. We are visitors, Thai minority people village. We see a lot of cow, a lot of buffalo there, and also have a lot of chicken, a lot of fish pond. Yeah, and tonight we will enjoy the Thai minorities food. Yep. Yeah, tonight I will cook for you to try my food.
Thank you.
And how is hamon fish? Alright. Here you go. So now we have arrived at the Mr. K's house. Oh yeah, homestay here. Yeah, homestay here. Yeah. Mời chị.
Mày lấy cơm hấp với lệ
Giới thiệu đi.
Đây.
Đây. Đó đi.
Đó rồi.
Làm giống như kiểu chưa đó bao giờ.
Đây đó.
Yeah.
Is there anything with the peanuts?
Peanut? Có lạp không? Có lạp không? Yeah, they have peanut.
I can't eat peanuts.
Sư bảo các bạn.
Nó có thể ăn được lạp đấy.
No peanut.
No peanut?
No peanut.
Có lạp không?
Không có lạc đâu.
Yes, there has peanut.
Nothing?
Yeah, no peanut.
No peanut.
Yeah. Nào, chúc nào. Happy water. Go, cheer. Cheer. Go.
Salute.
Yeah, salute.
Salute.
Yeah, salute. Scores.
Nó còn bảo karaoke cho tối. Nó ăn cơm.
Bác ăn cơm nhìn